Hello and welcome to a 4PSA tutorial. In this video we'll show you how to set up an incoming call rule for an extension. We have so far explained how you can set up an incoming call rule to require callers with certain caller IDs to provide passwords to have their calls forwarded, and how to have the extension calls transferred to other destinations. With our third incoming call rule, we can have a busy signal played to all calls that do not come from certain area codes or providers. For that, make sure that the default selection, Play Busy, is selected. Next, you have four options regarding the incoming call source. The first is Matches, which means that the incoming call will have to match the number specified in the text box for the rule to be applied. You can also choose to have the rule set for any number that doesn't match what's in the text box, for numbers that don't have any caller ID information, or for calls regardless of their caller ID. In this case, we'll choose Does Not Match because we want to allow the extension to only receive calls from numbers that belong to certain providers or area codes. Next, we'll have to specify the number or the regular expression the incoming call will be matched to. Based on the expression we've chosen, the busy signal will be played to all calls that don't come from the number with a caller ID starting with 03 followed by 8 other digits. It is important to note that if the caller does not send caller ID information, matching will not take place. However, you can use the Is Anonymous option to route anonymous calls. The next important option you will have to set is the time interval when the rule will be applied. Just select one from the drop-down list. We'll leave the default anytime in this case. On the last row, you will find the controls required to set the rule's position and the keypad shortcut. In this case, we'll just leave the defaults. Play Busy is a final rule, which means that no other rules can be applied after it if the call is not completed. What this means is that VoipNow will play the signal to all callers whose phone numbers don't match the accepted value 03 followed by any 8 digits. When you're done, just press the OK button to save the changes. This is how you set up an incoming call rule to have your extension play busy in VoipNow Professional. Thank you for watching.